Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you all the subscribers for subscribing and supporting me. Today you can see a question from JEE Main which is based on trigonometry as well as properties of the determinant. The solution of the equation for x greater than 0 and less than pi, 1 plus sine square x, sine square x, sine square x, cos square x, 1 plus cos square x, cos square x, 4 sine 2x, 4 sine 2x, 1 plus 4 sine 2x equals to 0. The solutions are pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 12, 11 pi by 12, 5 pi by 12, 7 pi by 12 and pi by 12, pi by 6. So first let's observe the determinant so that we can apply the property to get your the determinant value easily. So what I am doing, I am applying the property R equals to R1 plus R2. That means I am adding these two rows and writing in row 1. So it will be 1 plus sine square x plus cos square x, and the second column it will be sine square x plus 1 plus cos square x, and third column it will be sine square x plus cos square x, and the second row will be as it is, cos square x 1 plus cos square x, cos square x. Third row will be 4 sine 2x, 4 sine 2x, and your 1 plus 4 sine 2x. I don't claim that this is the only method. You can apply other properties also. So adding these two, I'm getting sine square plus cos square is 1. So this will be 2. Here also 1. This will be 2. And sine square plus cos square is 1. And second row as it is, sine 2x, 4 sine 2x, 1 plus 4 sine 2x equals to 0. Yes, you are guessing correct. Then next we will apply column 1 minus column 2. Applying the property column 1 equals to column 1 minus column 2, so that we will get so many zeros. It will becomes 2 minus 2 0, and 2 this will be 1. First column will be cos square x minus this one, so it will be negative 1, and here subtracting you will get 0, and here it will be as it is 1 plus cos square x, cos square x sine 2x, 1 plus 4 sine 2x. This is equal to 0. So first column I am getting 2 zeros, so I can expand with this. It will be 1 into 2 multiplies 1 plus 4 sine 2x minus 1 into 4 sine 2x equals to 0. So this gives us 2 plus 8 sine 2x minus 4 sine 2x equals to 0. Four sine 2x equals to negative 2, or sine 2x equals to negative half. Here it is given that x is greater than 0, less than pi, and you are getting negative half. That means 2x is in either third quadrant or fourth quadrant. So 2x equals to your 7 pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6, that time it will be negative, pi plus pi by 6, and this will be your pi 2 pi minus pi by 6. Again, fourth quadrant it will be negative, so it will be 11 pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6. So x equals to your 7 pi by 12 and 11 pi by 12. So let us check the answer. There will be 2 is the answer. Sorry. Yes. So 2 is answer. Thank you for watching.